you believe in love?
If you are Jamaican, you can relate.
How crazy
From
it could be.
so you're gonna put
Baby, baby, stop.
for
Take it.
example, let's put 24, right? You're gonna put how much kids you would like to have, right? So you just put 4 years, right? And then you're gonna put what type of man are you dating, right? You're gonna want to marry to actually. So you put white man, black man, Chinese man, right? And then you're gonna think the house now, kind of house.